Hello everyone, my name is Phuc. So I'm from Kuril class 2020. Today I'm gonna present my project, which is called Beauty Mirrors. So basically, it's a virtual try-on makeup apps. So just an interesting information for you to know. Last year, the global beauty industry generated more than 500 billion in sales, and two large online platforms like YouTube and Pinterest also debuted the AR drone experience applications, which have been used by millions of people. So I can see that there are huge demands on getting the AI beauty tools to generate sales for any cosmetic brands. So Beauty Mirrors is created not only provide user a fun way to experience different makeup looks before making any purchase decision, but it's also beneficial, especially in the age of social distancing when it comes to avoid crowded areas and makeup tester that have been used by many people. So the main problem that I need to address that is makeup transfer task. So when you think about the style or transfer, you think of GAN. However, all the GAN models have two main problems. Firstly, they only work well with the frontal images, so the makeup cannot be directly applied if the images have different poses or expressions. Secondly, the existing method cannot perform color transfer well. That's the reason why I suggest using the PSGAN. So PSGAN consists of a generator and a discriminator. For the input dataset, I use the makeup transfer dataset, which include more than 1,000 makeup images and nearly 3,000 makeup images. The dataset also includes the face parsing map, which I used by the ResNet model. Also, I input the facial landmark point by using the lib library, which is quite well known for facial landmark detection. So this training dataset will go through the generator to generate a transfer image which have the makeup on. So now the real makeup image and the transfer image will go through a discriminator. Discriminator will classify which one is the real image and which one is the generated image and send that feedback back to the generator to help it create more realistic images. So now I'm gonna talk a little bit more about generator of PSGAN. So the generator consists of an empty net, which will do the color transfer, the AMM, which will handle the misalignment between two images. Last but not least is the MA net, which will do the main task, that is makeup transfer. So the non-makeup image is the source image, and the one that have makeup on is the reference image. So now these two images will go through the MA net and MDNet encoder respectively to extract the facial feature. The makeup related features such as lip gloss, eyeshadow or foundation also can be extracted from the MDNet. Intuitively, the transfer image should have the makeup of the reference image but still keep the identity of the source image. However, as you can see on the screen, these two images have different poses. So we need some spectral design module, which I call attentive makeup morphing module, to handle the misalignment. So in AMM, after we got the facial feature, we will concatenate it with the differences between 68 facial landmark points and every pixel of the face parsing maps to specify how the makeup or pixel in the source image is morphed with the reference image. And then we will do the matrix multiplication with the makeup related features that we just got earlier to create a new makeup related features that can be morphed and applied on the source image pixel by pixel. So thanks to AMM, MANet decoder can do the makeup transfer task by taking the facial features of the source image and the new makeup related features that we just created to generate a transfer image that have the makeup on, as you can see on the screen. So without further ado, I'm gonna do a little demo for you guys to see. So now I'm gonna input a makeup image here. So Beauty Mirrors will allow users to choose different makeup look. So I will choose, for example, the supermodel because she's have a very tan skin, so I want to see how PSGAN work on that. Okay, so Here's the result. As you can see that the non-makeup image, she has a very fair and white skin, but the PS Scan can still apply the foundation perfectly. Not only stop at that, if you like this makeup look, you can buy the product here because I already insert the link to the website. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you another demo. This time I will choose a girl. So she have the angle that's turning on the right side and she's laughing. So I will choose the bombshell for example because I noticed that she's have an opposite angle from the non-makeup image. So this is the result after apply by using the PS Scan. So as you can see, even though these two images have different poses and expressions, but PS Scan can still apply the makeup on. Especially you can look at the lip regions. It bypasses the teeth area and apply the color on the lips perfectly. Okay. So I also input another case to test on the PS Scan. The first one is the color transfer problem. The second one is I want to see how PS Scan can work if I want to apply the Western makeup look on the Asian look. Last but not least, whether the PS Scan can work well on the selfie photo or not. And here's the result. So I'm really happy to see this result. I can say that PS Scan can solve well the misalignment of these images and do the makeup transfer style really well. Okay, so in the future work, this model probably still need to be upgraded. And I also want to integrate another camera functions which allow user to try on different makeup look real time. Also, Beauty Mirrors would like to collaborate with the local and international cosmetic brands as well as the e-commerce site to expand the makeup products for the product recommendations. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.